Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by using an admin account so changes stick. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System and select Notifications and Actions. Once there, scan the top area for the Master Notifications toggle. You'll turn that off if you want 0 pop-ups system-wide. Make sure to keep Settings open. You'll need it for app-specific controls. If you prefer some alerts, leave Master Notifications on and move to individual app toggles, now rather than disabling everything. Now customize which apps can interrupt you. Scroll the app list and switch off notifications for any app that creates unwanted pop-ups. This prevents background apps from pushing banners. Next, open Focus Assist to set rules, choose priority only or alarms only depending on needs, and edit the priority list so important contacts still break through. Once done, configure automatic rules for work hours, gaming, or full screen to avoid future disruptions without manual toggling each time. To finish, open the Action Center and confirm banners and sounds are suppressed. You should see fewer alerts there. If notifications still appear, restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC to apply changes system-wide. For persistent pop-ups from third-party apps, open those apps' internal settings or uninstall them. Some use their own notification systems outside Windows settings. If problems remain, run a malware scan. Undesirable pop-ups can sometimes be adware disguised as alerts, so make sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.